Hey there, it's another edition of Tutorial Wednesday where I teach you one thing or the other you can do with your smartphone. And today, let's look at... Are you excited already? So am I. So, let's jump right into the video. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching. Green screen effect, chroma key. All right, now we are going to be doing the green screen effect. How I was able to do all of the videos that you saw or witnessed here. Okay, how I do these videos that you see me do. Okay, how I do videos like this. Okay, where I come up and you see me do this. So you can see a video element, this phone, right? Then you also see me, all right, in a new background. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign, tap on 16:9, and then now I am going to bring in the background I want to use. Okay, I'm going to bring in the background I want to use. So I'm going to tap on image. I want to use a solid color background. Okay, so I'm going to tap on this orange color. All right, so let's dip in this orange color. Okay, so let's extend it. Okay, so this color is actually going to determine this clip, like I said, always determine the length of the video. So when you know the video is going to be too long, so let's just stop at 30 seconds. You need to do what? Adjust the video to the point where the video you're going to be adding the green screen is going to change, it's going to stop. Okay, so let's tap on layer. You're going to add the video you shot on green screen as layer. All right, so tap on media. So I'm going to select a video I shot on green screen. I'm going to select a video I shot on green screen. Okay, let's use this video. All right, so this is a video I shot on green screen. I'm going to end it here, okay, for the sake of practice. So this is a video I shot on green screen. So what I'm going to do now is what? I'm going to select the video, okay, and then I'm going to crop it to leave the video on the green screen alone, me on the green screen without the white background around the wall. Okay, so this is the video on the green screen. All right, this is the video on the green screen. Okay, so this is the video on the green screen. Okay,
still solving the problem of receiving payment from.
All right, so this is the video on green screen. So what I'm going to do is to do what? Edit the video picture quality. Right, I'm going to edit the video's picture quality. Right, let's edit the video's picture quality. Okay, so we are done. All right, so now that I've done this, I'm going to do what? Remove the green background. So I'm going to select it and then go to chroma key. So the chroma key, I've already selected the background to be the key color to be green over here, right? So I'm going to tap on enable. So now you can see that there are still some green things around it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is what? I'm going to move this 28 to 50%. Okay, so you can see that this background is still there. Okay, so now I'm going to use my key color to select the exact background that I'm looking for. So if you look at behind, you can actually see the green is there. So I'm going to use it so that whenever I select the green, okay, so I think this is the green, right? This is the green. So whenever I select the green, I will just come back. So there's still some green around it, right? So that means I still need to look for a deeper green. And finally, we have the background removed. Okay, so now I am going to do what? Open my video. All right, I'm going to open my video and we have this now. Okay, so like I said during the introduction of video shooting, that ensure that you're not wearing anything green and you're not going to be using anything green as a props. Okay, as a props there should be nothing green. All right, so ensure you need to do what? Ensure that. So I'm going to tap and turn on the video. Let's see how it looks.
Still solving the problem of receiving payment from anywhere in the world, even from Nigeria. I recently discovered this e-commerce tool that creatives and entrepreneurs can leverage on, set up a payment channel and sell more of their products online and be able to receive payment from anywhere in the world. So I got requests from people asking that.
All right, so this is the video, right? So now, to make sure, to even ensure that this video's background is so real, I am going to add a shadow to this video. Okay, so how do I do this? I'm going to select the video. So I'm going to tap on this button, duplicate. So when I duplicate, behind, this one behind, the one at the top is the one behind. So I'm going to push it a little forward, increase it a little. Okay, so it's now 2, right? So the next thing, I'm going to go to adjust. When I go to adjust, I'm going to reduce the brightness, increase the contrast, then increase the saturation, change the saturation to black and white, then move the highlight to 100%, then decrease the shadow. Now, by doing this, I have automatically turned the one behind to black. Okay, I've automatically turned the one behind to black. So this contrast, okay, should be up here. Okay, so I automatically do what? Turn it to black. I'm still trying to actually make it as black as possible. Okay, it's now dark. Okay, it's now dark. All right, so this is how it looks now.
Still solving the problem of receiving payment from anywhere in the world, even from Nigeria.
It's not looking so real, right? So let's go on. So I'm going to use opacity to reduce the opacity, okay, of the one behind, to make it look like a real shadow. So after that, I am now going to do what? Tap the layer, go to effects, and then go to basic effects, tap on the blur. So now I'm going to add a blur to the one behind me. Okay, I can actually use blur completely in this whole video. Okay, so I've expanded the video to blur. All right, this I'm doing this because the background is a solid color. If the background is somewhere else, if you're using another place, you actually need to use the blur to only within the video. Okay, but I'm using this because the background is a solid color. All right, so after doing this, what next do? I am going to send the background. I'm going to use this button here, send backward. If I say send to back, it's going to send it to the back. So I'm going to just send backward from the video that is the real me. All right, so send backward, and now that video behind looks blur. Okay, so I'm still going to select this blur, use settings, increase the strength, right? So now the video automatically has a shadow.
Still solving the problem of receiving payment from anywhere in the world, even from Nigeria. I recently discovered this e-commerce tool that creatives and entrepreneurs can leverage on, set up a payment channel and sell more.
So sorry, this needs to get to the extreme. Okay, that is why it stopped halfway. Okay, so we can now say that we have done what? Changed our background. Okay, so now in case you go to select a video from YouTube, you use a green screen video. All right, so and you use the layer still the same way whenever you see any green screen video. Okay, just like this video that I have here, this video here. Okay, if I want to add this person to this video and remove the background, okay, I'm still going to go to the chroma key, tap enable. All right, then it goes off, and then move the 28% to 50%, and then make sure that I've selected the right key color, and then this guy is without background. Okay, so that's how you do this. So if you're maybe going to YouTube to download any element on green screen, I want to go to my YouTube downloads so that I can do this last practice. So for instance, I downloaded this from YouTube. Where is it? Oh, sorry. Okay, so I downloaded these elements from YouTube. Okay, and then they are on green screen. Okay, they are on green screen. These are actually lower thirds. Okay, they are on green screen. So I am going to do what? First off, copy out the lower third I want to use. Okay, so this is the lower third I want to use. First off, copy out the lower third I want to use. Okay, so first off, copy out the lower third I want to use. Okay, and then cut out. Okay, so maybe I want to use this lower third here. Okay, so it still has that green thing. All right, so what I'm going to do is to reduce the background, right? Then I'm going to select, go to chroma key, tap, and it's off. All right, so I can now comfortably use my lower third. Okay, I can now comfortably use my lower third. Okay, sorry, remove the background color. Okay, so
Still solving the problem of receiving payment.
So did you notice that thing, that something came up, a green something came up here? So it means that the green have not still yet fully been removed. So I'll need to do what? I'll need to select the green. Okay. Alright, so the green have been automatically totally
still solving the problem of receiving payment from anywhere in the world.
Look at our lives.
I recently discovered
that is how you do your green screen effect. Remember, I said for this to work perfectly well, ensure that your green screen is well lighted, okay, and there's a distinct, it's perfectly contrasting you from the green screen, so that once you tap on the chroma key, you won't find it difficult to eliminate the green screen. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of video editing. See you in section 5 of videographic course. Congratulations.